my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about this baby right here, okay? My opinion and a little tutorial, you know, eye makeup looks just to see how they perform. So if you guys are interested in that, then please just keep on watching. So I tried to include every single eyeshadow in here in my eye makeup look. I think it come out, I think it came out very pretty. But I mean, it's my opinion. Some of you guys might not like it. Literally, I'm sweating in this room. It is so hot. And this light is not helping. Oh, it's really hot. So I ordered my palette at Sephora and this retails for $38. And then the lipstick retails for $19. Let me double check that real quick. Yep, $19. Beautiful packaging. And I love the color. Yes, the lipstick is a little bit pricey, but oh my god, you guys, it's amazing. It's amazing. You guys need to get this and smell this lipstick and tell me what you think about the smell. Go and get it, you guys. Let me know after. Tell me what you think about the smell. It's amazing. And the formula, it's so good, it's so creamy. Combat D never disappoints me with her products. I feel like her products are always really good quality, so she never disappoints me. The color payoff in this palette, it's seriously unreal, you guys. It's so good. They're so pigmented. Matte shades are the ones that are a little bit less pigmented when I do the swatch, but now when you get your brush and you start putting it in your eyes, girl, that's something else. That's why when you do swatches mean nothing. The true test is when you put it in your eyes and see how it works. I love it. I really have nothing negative to say about this palette. I love the packaging. You can literally just grab this palette and go anywhere, okay? Because it's so slim. It's very travel friendly, so I love it. Mirror is really cute. It has a pair of eyebrows. Well, now it has a bunch of fingerprints all over, but let me clean that. I still see the fingerprints, but I'm so sorry. Because seriously, how many neutral palettes can a girl have? I'm tired of neutral colors already. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love neutral colors, but we need something different. So if you guys are interested on how the eyeshadows perform, then please just keep on watching my video. I'll start with a little eye tutorial, which I had no idea what to do. Like, I just went with the flow. I tried to include every single color in this palette. You know how it is when you have your foundation on, your blush, your contour, and everything on. When all of a sudden, you're doing your eyes and then you have wonderful fallout underneath. You're like, why? I mean, why? So just in case I have any fallout, that's why I'm gonna do my foundation last. So excuse the redness, please. And I have this baby since I was 16. So I'm going to be getting this white shade right here called Female Trouble. So now I'm going to get the shade Waters. Pigmented. So now I'm going to be getting the shade Baltimore. And I'm just going to intensify the blue. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cut crease, and I'm gonna be using the NARS concealer in the color Vanilla. So I'm going to be using the Pink Flamingo. Oh my god. This color is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I think that's better. So guys, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm going to try to do the look only on this eye in case I don't like it and I have to do everything all over it. Okay, so I'm going to be getting hairspray. Now I'm going to get the color Filthy. And I'm going to put it right over here. Now I'm going to be getting some of the black called Heart Magic. So now I'm going to be putting a little bit of NARS in my inner eye. And I'm going to be choosing the color Babs. Okay, so I definitely need to intensify the black on this area right over here. So now I'm going to be getting Pink Flamingos again, the beautiful green. So now I'm going to be getting Female Travel, the white shade. And I'm going to be putting it right over here. So now I'm going to be getting the waterproof liquid eyeliner from Kat D as well. I barely have, I'm running out, but hopefully I have enough for this look. I'm going to be putting a dark blue eyeliner from the brand NYX. So the same thing I did on this side, I did on the other one. So now I'm going to put my foundation on, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect in the color Snow. This is seriously my favorite foundation ever. Let me do my eyebrows real quick. I'm going to use the Brow Glow by Tonya Crooks. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs 104 Tan Plastic. It's my favorite bronzer. And for blush, I'm going to be using Tarte in the color Party. So now I'm ready to finish the eyes. So I'm going to be getting the color Baltimore. Putting it right over here. Okay, let me smoke a little bit the look. This is from Dior and it's called 3D Maximizer. But I'm going to be using falsies, so this is the one from Too Faced, Better Than Sex. I'm always using this mascara. I'm also running out. I have to get a new one. So let me put the falsies and I'll be right back. So the eyelashes are on. And now let's go for the lips. Oh, I totally forgot. I used the Mariah Carey eyelashes from MAC. I'm not sure if they still have this though. The lips, I'm going to use the color Divine. Okay. Ah! Seriously, this packaging is so pretty. Oh, before I put the lipstick, let me put a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna use the Kat D Alchemist Holographic Palette to use the Blue Sapphire highlight. That it's definitely blue. I highly recommend the Alchemist Kat D Holographic Palette. Ah, I love it. So Do you guys hear that? The packaging is really good. Vanilla chocolate cake. I don't even know. All I know is that it smells really good. Do you guys see that? Ooh, I like that color. It's very creamy. You decided to open the door, huh? You know I'm filming. Yeah. I'm in the middle of filming here. You wanna say hi? Come so you say hi. Come. I mean, you're here already. You're making background noises. Oh my god, both my kids came to say hi. Like, hi everybody. The light is too strong on me. And this is Lulu, this is my Nini. They both came to say hi, so hi everybody. Right guys, so this is the end of this video, and if you like my little look that I created, then please why don't you give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will really help out. And as always, have a beautiful day, night, wherever you are and you're watching this video. Till the next one, you guys. Ciao. Mwah. Whoopsie.